Let us learn to find the fractions equal to whole numbers, and write them in the order of least to greatest. Whole number 1 is equal to the fraction 3/3, whole number 2 is equal to the fraction 6/3, whole number 3 equals 9/3 and 4 equals 12/3. The fractions are arranged from least to the greatest value. The number line is partitioned into halves. Find the fractions equal to whole number. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3, and 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. The fractions are arranged from least to the greatest value. Draw a number bond with unit fractions to one whole. Do you know to compare fractions? The fraction 1/3 is equal to the fraction 2/6. Name the fractions that are equivalent to 1/2. 2/4, 4/8, and 3/6 equivalent to 1/2. Do you know if you double the numerator and the denominator you can make more equivalent fractions? Shade 1/3 of the paper and fold it again and again. The whole does not change, only the number of shaded parts increase. How many sixths does it take to make the same amount as 1/3? 2/6, because sixths are twice as many as thirds. When you double the numerator and denominator of the fraction 1/3, you get the equivalent fraction 2/6. When you double the numerator and denominator of the fraction 5/3, you get an equivalent fraction 10/6. 5/3 equals 10/6. Do you know that fourths has twice as many units as halves? The fraction 1/2 is equal to the fraction 3/6. The fraction 1/2 is equal to the fraction 4/8. The fraction 1/2 is equal to the fraction 5/10. What is 1/5 of 100? 1/5 of 100 is 20. What is 1/4 of 100? 1/4 of 100 is 25. What is the half of 100? The half of 100 is 50. What is 3/4 of 100? The 3/4 of 100 is 75. Are 2 to 3 and 2 to 6 equivalent? True. False.